Okay. Today, I'm excited because today I got this in the mail. So you're probably wondering what this is and why I'm so excited. Well, I'll give you a hint. It has to do with Bitcoin. It's not a wallet. Oh, I'll just open it and show you. Overboard YouTuber's knife. 2 orange pill in the pack and 1 Pacific Bitcoin. See? Now you're probably wondering what these are. Well, they're actually trading cards, Bitcoin trading cards that educate the audience, that educate people. Much like Pokemon cards and other trading cards, these have the potential to have some value. That's collector's items. By the way, they gave me this cool little sticker in the pack. How cool is that? Okay, so originally I actually watched Tone Vase unpack some of these on his channel when he was at an event, but also on his channel. And I thought to myself, how cool is that? I can get some of those cards and even do an unboxing on my channel, The Crypto Factor. Now I'm gonna unpack these and show you, but I don't think any more version 1 are available. I think they're sold out completely, but version 2 is coming out. So I'll leave a link down below where you can buy them if you wish to do so. And no, it's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I actually paid for these from my pocket, and it was actually more expensive to ship over to Greece and pay for the customs to actually get these than actually buying them, which is ridiculous. So excited. And I'm already wearing my orange shirt, so let's get started. All right, let me actually open this with some scissors so I don't damage the cards. Hopefully I won't cut them in the process and really damage them. So first up, we actually have a resource card, and on the back, it actually gives you information on the actual card. So this talks about Fold and how you can make Bitcoin with everything you do. Next up, economics versus liability. An asset puts money in my pocket, a liability takes money out of my pocket. This was written by Robert Kiyosaki, and how liabilities make you lose money while assets make you win money long term. Next up, a Bitcoin card. This actually explains about Bitcoin and what it is. Suspend temporarily the conversion of the dollars into gold. This was actually done in the Nixon era where you can't buy gold and you're not allowed to have gold anymore. They actually took your gold, the government that is. Satoshi Nakamoto card explaining who he is and what Bitcoin is from him. Economics, the gold card, explains what gold is. Bitcoin 21 million because there will only be 21 million Bitcoin ever. Taxation is theft card explaining taxation. An influencer card, and I haven't looked at this card yet, and it's a blockchain card. This is the rare card that comes in the pack, the last one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in a protective sort of layer thing. I don't remember what it's exactly, a sleeve, that's what it's called. Try and do it carefully. There you go. Now I do have another pack sealed, and I also have the Pacific Bitcoin 2022. Now I would have unboxed these. I was actually thinking about keeping one of them sealed so I can sell later on, but I think there's no fun in that. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually open these in a live stream, and maybe I can do a giveaway with you, with my audience. So there you go. Make sure you check out these cards in the link down below. I'll leave a link to the live stream when I do it over here. But until that's available, watch this video right here. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.